Mama, you did so good. You're such a good mama. Dolly, are you being a good sister? There's a little baby. We're going to need to trim you guys up now. There's a little baby. Gotta come up with a name for her. She's so cute. What do you think, Dolly? What do you think, Miss Dolly? Y'all eating? She's cute.
She's so curious.
Mm-hmm. I can't believe how petite, just little bitty thing she is. Those little feet. She's already getting a thick coat on her, huh?
This seems just like corn all patched together.
Well, that's alfalfa.
Here, Mama.
Mama, what's the matter, Dolly?
Just trying to eat one. Catch it in your mouth. Catch it in your mouth. Okay, ready? Ready? Toss it. You got it. Be cool.
She's so cute. She's kind of content, isn't she? Oh, did you hear that?
Mm-hmm. I think the mom was putting off a intensive to stay away.
Cute little thing. There she is. She's about 24 hours old. Dolly. That's your big head. Pretty little thing. Just gotta come up with a name now.
Blackie.
No. Not Blackie.